Finally, Vigor Coin listed inside the exchange. Inside this video, we will check the chart. Even I will talk about the VTC token. A few weeks ago, a few months ago, we deposit VTC inside the exchange. So now what things we need to do in order to get our tokens? What task we need to complete? Or we need to mint NFT once again in order to get our token? Step by step, I will guide you inside this video. Finally, after a long time, VTC just listed inside the Vigor exchange, even just met a new all-time high above $9. We will check the price, we will check the chart, each and everything I will cover inside this video. So share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Vigor Coin, mining project, pre-sale project, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. Vigor token is now live for trading on Vigor exchange. So VTC coin, or I can say Vigor coin, is available inside spot trading. Okay, if you have Vigor coin, convert it by minting a KYC NFT here. So once again, you need to mint NFT in order to get your VTC token. Once again, you need to mint NFT in order to get your Vigor coin. Otherwise, you will not get your Vigor coin. Okay, just mint an NFT and your Vigor coin will be automatically converted. So this is the problem. I think this is the problem. As you can see, I know Vigor coin already listed inside Vigor exchange. You can see the all-time high is $10. This is the all-time high, $10 in one day. Also, you can see now the current price is 0.01. From $10, the price fall down to 0.01 cent. This is the Vigor coin. What a crazy coin. What a crazy crush in the Vigor coin. You can see. From $10, the price just dropped to 0.01 cent only in 1 hour. In 1 hour, the price just pumped to $10. In 1 hour, the price dropped to 0.01 from $10. This is cryptocurrency. So I can say this is a manipulation from the developer side. I don't think, because no one has their coin. Those who mined the VTC coin, those who minted NFT, is still they did not get their coin. It means that this is all the manipulation from the developer side, not from the users. Because no one have their coin, even me. I don't have, still I did not get my VT token. Because once again, we need to mint NFT in order to get our VTC coin. One thing I should tell you, a few weeks ago, I can say a few months ago, we deposit VTC, we just withdraw VTC from the application to the exchange. And then the developer just said there are some kind of problem with the website, like this. So now, a new account, a new Vigor exchange. If I show you about the account in here, you can see this is the account and this is the wallet. Inside your wallet, you cannot see your VT token. Why? Because the team did not send your token inside your new account. As the team said that, create account with the same email address, we will transfer your token to your new account. Still, they did not send it. Why? This is the reason. Let me show you. Check in here. Hello users, we are thrilled to list Vigor token in spot trading. Already 98% work has done. See you soon in August 1. Okay. Vigor token already available in funding deposit. Convert your previous holded Vigor coin to new Vigor token by minting final profile NFT from link below and deposit in Vigor exchange. It means that we need to just mint the final NFT in order to get our token. So don't miss it. Finally, Vigor exchange official application for Android are live soon. So the application is coming inside App Store and then Play Store. We have worked on it as long days. Previous deposited VTC will recover in Exchanger. Don't lose hope. Okay, let me show you here. I think let me show you this one. Check this update. Check this one. Who deposited VTC? Old Vigor exchange. We have completed list and we will refund it with same email into Vigor exchange as VT if he will mint it final profile NFT in the same send address. If you mint the final NFT, and then we will get our token. In here you can see if he will mint it final profile NFT. If you mint the final profile NFT with the same wallet, and then you will get your VTC coin. Otherwise, we will not get it. This is the task, this is the requirement we need to complete in order to get our VTC coin. Personally, I will not mint the NFT. As you can see, this is the website. If you want to mint NFT, you can check it. This is the website. This is the final NFT. Make sure the price is 0.2 times 0 is 4. Maximum 5 NFT per wallet. Simply click on mint now, connect your MetaMask wallet, and then make sure you have BNB inside your wallet in order to mint this NFT. I don't want to mint it. I don't want to mint it. Just leave it because in 1 hour the price dropped from $10 to 0.01. This is not fair. This is not fair. Believe me. So this is all about the Vigor coin. Okay guys, what's your thought? Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about this? Finally, the coin listed inside the exchange. And this is the Vigor exchange, the new one. You can see you can find everything in here. Even you can start trading other cryptocurrencies. Like we have many cryptocurrencies in here. So share your thoughts in the comment section. Now what do you think? Because in order to get our VTC coin inside our new account, we need to mint the final NFT. So smash the like button to while time high. If still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. This video is end up being here till the next video. Goodbye. See you.